Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So e to the power of 2x plus 1 divided by this one. So you got number 1. So the integration of number 1 that is about x, and we put the bounds from number 1 to e. So we put e and number 1 go in here. Now we need to focus on this one. So this one we can put e to the power of x to the power of number 2. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 go in here, and we have u equals to e. When s equals to e, so we put the value of e go in here, and we have u equals to e to the power of e. So number 1 we change for e, and e we change for e to the power of 8. This one we change for u, e to the power of s, the s we change for the u. So about u we can change back for s. Now we need to go back in here. So this one equals to this one, and we go back in here. So we can say that this one and this one they cancel, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.